Welcome to the ultimate guide on unlocking the hidden potential of social media to elevate your professional network and life. This is Alpha Blueprint, where we transform the ordinary into extraordinary. And today, you're about to level up in ways you never thought possible. Imagine this. You're one click away from building relationships with top industry leaders, landing career-changing opportunities, and even growing your wealth. And guess what? All of this starts on your phone. Yes, social media is the gateway to your success. Before we dive in, shout out to our proud sponsor, www.mobilewashonwheels.co.za, who's offering an epic deal. Refer 5 friends to subscribe to Alpha Blueprint, and if you're in Johannesburg North, you'll score a free machine polish wash. Pretty cool, right? Now smash that subscribe button and let's get to it. Let's talk about why social media is a game changer in today's world. Social media isn't just about selfies and memes. It's the most powerful tool for connecting, learning, and growing. Here's how you leverage it to build a professional network that transforms your life. Social media is more than just a distraction. It's an opportunity machine. Here are a few ways it can help you. Mentally, access communities that inspire and support you. Platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook groups allow you to connect with like-minded individuals who push you to grow. Physically, follow experts in health, wellness, and fitness who share tips to keep you in top shape. Financially, learn from thought leaders and entrepreneurs who share advice on building wealth and generating passive income. Not all platforms are created equal. Let's break it down. LinkedIn, the king of professional networking. Build your profile, connect with industry leaders, and showcase your expertise. Twitter, stay updated on trends, share insights, and join conversations in your field. Instagram, perfect for showcasing your personal brand or portfolio, especially if you're in the creative industries. Facebook groups, find niche communities tailored to your career interests. TikTok, yes, TikTok. It's not just for dancers. Share bite-sized expertise and engage with a younger dynamic audience. YouTube, create long-form content to share your knowledge and build authority in your field. Now that you know the platforms, here's how to use them effectively. Build a strong profile. First impressions matter. Use a professional photo and highlight your skills and achievements. Engage authentically. Comment on posts, share insights, and join discussions. Networking is a two-way street. Post valuable content. Share tips, success stories, or even challenges you've overcome. People connect with authenticity. DM strategically. Don't just say hi. Be specific and value-driven in your messages. For example, hi, I loved your recent post on marketing strategies. Here's my take on it. Would love your thoughts. Follow thought leaders. Learn from the best by engaging with their content. It's a great way to get noticed. Here's the kicker. Networking isn't just about what you gain today. It's about planting your seeds for your future opportunities. A single connection can lead to mentorship, collaborations, and career breakthroughs. The possibilities are endless. So, are you ready to turn your social media accounts into powerful networking hubs? Start today by optimizing your profiles, engaging with intent, and connecting with the right people. And before you go, here's your chance to win big. Refer 5 friends to subscribe to Alpha Blueprint. And if you're in Johannesburg North, our sponsor, www.mobilewashonwheels.co.za, will treat you to a free machine polish wash. Who says networking doesn't come with perks? Hit that subscribe button and join the Alpha Blueprint tribe for more tips to elevate your life one step at a time. Remember, 2025 is your year to shine. Let's dominate this together.